Now, in May this year, a study by the International Republican Institute Center for Insight is survey research found nearly 90% of Gambians agree that the country needs a new constitution. Nearly 75% of the population also said they would vote in the constitutional referendum. But what do Gambians think about sections of the constitution providing limited terms for presidents? Well, Mariama Cham finds out in this report.
Gambian parliamentarians earlier this week began a debate on the main substance of a bill meant to create a new supreme law for the country. While the need for a new constitution is generally a welcomed idea across the Gambia, citizens are also in favor of sections prescribing that presidential terms should be limited to 2 5-year periods. Alaji Nyang, a vendor at the Serekunda market, said 2 terms in office should be enough for any sitting president.
I definitely agree with that, because 2 terms is enough, like 10 years in office is enough to allow someone else to take over. We can take example in some countries. They practice only 2 terms. So for me, we should learn from such examples. So I think it is enough. And if they are ready to vote it, I am definitely ready to vote for yes.
The Gambian president, Adama Barrow, had in 2016 promised to step down after 3 years, but decided to stay for an additional 2 years. In a 2018 interview with Turkish broadcaster TRT, the president said 5 years in office was not enough to build a strong transitional foundation. The president has since set up a political party and plans to run for a second term. However, Fandecham, a resident of Nema, said sitting presidents cannot always achieve all their development plans and that they should step down after 2 terms for another president to continue those plans.
This is a very good law, and I appreciate those who invented it, because if a president completes his 2 terms, then he should hand over power quietly, with honesty, without struggling again for power. 10 years is enough for a president to complete implementing his programs.
Section 102, subsection 2 of the draft constitution states that no person shall hold office as president for more than 2 terms of 5 years, whether or not the terms are consecutive. This idea has been supported even by non-Gambians like Omar Salan, a Senegalese residing in the Gambia.
Whether it is 5 or 6 years, as long as it is 2 terms, it is enough. If a sitting president cannot complete his work within these 2 terms, then you were not ready to develop or work for that country.
The Gambia is one of only 7 countries in Africa without limited terms for presidents, alongside Eritrea and Somalia. A 2018 study by the Africa Center for Strategic Studies stated that a lack of term limits was responsible for some of the conflicts in Africa. For iAfrica News, I am Mariama Cham.